Okay, so we've created a game where we've got a main character who moves kind of nicely around the screen, and what we're going to do next is we're going to create some prizes for him to collect, or a prize for him to collect. Now in the kind of underwater theme, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a new sprite, choose something from the library, stick with my underwater theme, so there we go, and I'm going to have a starfish as my prize. Now to start off with, he's a bit large, so let's use the shrink tool, shrink him down a bit, that'll about do. And what I want to do is, it's going to be a bit easy to find him if he's just staying still, so we're going to move him around the screen. We're going to create some movement for him, so it's not going to be keyboard controlled this time. We're just going to set up the green flag and then a forever loop, and we're just going to move him. Well, what happens if we press the green flag now? He moves pretty fast. Let's slow him down a bit. Let's move him 2 steps. Now at the moment he just goes and hits the edge, so we've got this little handy little thing that says if on edge bounce, and so now when he hits the edge he's going to bounce off it. Now you've noticed, I hope, that he's just going from left to right. If we go to the information spot there and just change the direction that he starts in, then I'll create a bit of a bounce. So that'll create a nice sort of very random movement. So just check that you're happy with that. You might want to increase the speed a bit. You might want to go to the diver sprite and actually slightly change his speed down. Let's say 6 steps rather than 10. Makes it perhaps a bit more of a challenge to catch up with that guy. Okay, so now we've got the diver chasing after this guy, but what happens, we need something to happen when you catch him, so we're going to set up another loop. This is on the starfish, so when the green flag is clicked, we're going to go to the looks category, make him show, and we're going to create a variable. We have to make a variable called score, and we're going to make this football sprites. So click on OK, and now we can initially set the score to 0, and then we set up a forever loop, and within that loop we're going to test if he's touching the treasure hunter. So in the sensing category, hit the touching, in control we need an if, and we can check if it's touching the treasure hunter. If it is, then what we want to do is make him disappear, change that score, so go to the data category, change the score by 1, and then let's delay a certain amount. So in the control category, wait 3 seconds maybe, and then after that delay we'll make him show again. So press the green flag now. As soon as he catches him, he disappears for 3 seconds, then he reappears somewhere else. Oh, caught him quite a lucky way there. So There we go.